welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a recipe. I think Bhajias is Indian inspired, although I think us Kenyans kind of like took it as our own. So this is one of my favorite recipes. One, because I actually found a way to make this healthier without compromising the taste of the bhajias. A lot of bhajia recipes are deep fried, and as much as they're so delicious, sometimes it's so easy to pack on the pound, especially because these are just so addictive. And if you guys want to experiment with a plant-based recipe, this is definitely my go-tos. And yeah, let's actually get started. So to start, we're just gonna thinly cut up some potatoes. After they're all done, I like to sprinkle some salt just to kind of enhance the flavors and get a little bit of starch out. And then I move on to crushing the garlic. This is a hack for those of you guys who don't know, but using a knife to kind of peel off the garlic is like the fastest way to do it. And yeah, it just makes everything so much easier. After, we're just gonna drop in our chickpea flour. I don't measure it, it just really depends on how thick you want the batter to be. So after you add in the garbanzo flour, I'm just gonna go in and add in some ground coriander. You can add chili powder at this point too, I forgot. So you're gonna see me adding it at the end. And then just adding the ginger and crushed garlic. Then we're just gonna mix up the bowl. If you really want a thick coating, this would be really awesome just to get that really nice crispy skin. But I like mine a little thinner, so just gonna add a little bit of water and kind of play with the batter a little bit and just add more chickpea flour as well. So really it's just up to you based on what your desired consistency is, but definitely make the batter on the thicker side just in case you're unsure. Then we go in and sprinkle some more garlic and ginger. I usually taste the batter at this point, and if I can taste all the ingredients together, that's how I know it's ready. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more just to make sure that it's as flavorful as it can be. And then I go in and add in some fresh cilantro. Drop in our potatoes. Here's where I ended up sprinkling the chili powder. You definitely should do this before, but yeah, I mean, it did make a difference in terms of giving it some heat for sure. So we're gonna use some grapeseed oil. This is a pretty good oil because it cuts your fat intake by half. It has really good cholesterol. It's kind of like an avocado. It's way cheaper than avocado oil. It has a lot of omega-6s, omega-3s. So if you're looking to switch your oils, I definitely would recommend this one. You kind of fry them for 3 minutes on each side, or about maybe 4 minutes depending on how hot the oil is. And yeah, that is about it for the recipe, you guys. Did experiment with air frying and oven baked bhajias. If you guys want any info on that, just look at the notes in the description box. They still worked in case you want to get extra healthy. So if you guys enjoyed this or have learned something new, please give the video a thumbs up, or you can leave a comment down below. And I'd love to know if you tried it as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.